Hi everyone, this is Matthias. Welcome to CoSpaceGPT once again. As shared previously, CoSpaceGPT is a workspace that integrates many GenAI models into a single interface. We support GPT-5, Gemini 2.5, Grok, Mistral, Anthropic, and we'll continue to add top models as appropriate in the coming days and months. The other unique feature about CoSpaceGPT is the shared project feature. Just imagine that you can share your prompts with your colleagues, with your friends, with even your relatives or teammates. Let's take a look to see how it works. Let's start with a prompt. So I have a prompt and I'm just going to paste it in. Can you create moving SVG to explain Newton's 3 laws of physics? I'm going to use GPT-5, which is a very popular top model right now. Now, when I send the prompt in, GPT-5 will start to generate the code for the SVG and to present it in HTML. There is a canvas feature where we'll pop up the code, right? So the cool thing is that in the few minutes that GPT takes to generate the moving SVG, we can view the interactive SVG here in the canvas. So Newton's 3 laws, law 1 inertia, the box will move until pushed. In the low friction region, it keeps moving, then slows when friction returns. So this is law number 1. And law number 2, F equals ma, where the same force using different masses affects the speed or acceleration, to be more precise. Action reaction, when they push, forces are equal and opposite, right? The lighter skater recoils faster and further. You can give this prompt a try and you will see different visual images or SVG based on what GPT-5 created. I'll talk more about Canvas next time, but just a quick glimpse. You can actually see the code generated here, about 300 lines of code. You can actually download the code, right? It's up to you what you want to do it. Now, how do I share this prompt or this nice SVG with my colleagues? There are a few ways you can share it. First of all, you can copy it, right? Copy the clipboard. You can paste it in the Word document or Notepad. You will get the HTML code that is generated. The other way you can share this is to click Share Chat and you generate a share link. Copy the share link and you can share that link with your friends or teammates. Now, the problem with this way of sharing is that if your teammate or in this case, it could even be students or in the class or friends, they can't add on to the prompt. They can't collaborate with you. They can try to import this into their prompt and simulate it and try it in their own CoSGPT workspace. Let me share with you how we can do this in the shared project format. At the left, there is a shared project button. And there are two kinds of projects. One is personal project, which is for yourself only, not shared with anybody. The other one is the shared project. The good news is, as individuals, everyone can be the owner of one shared project for free. If you want more than one shared project, you will have to subscribe to the Teams plan. How do I create a shared project? It's very simple. Just click Create Project. You can add a simple icon to it. Okay, Share Project Demo. Showcase Share Project. You can give it some sort of system prompt. Showcase shared project in a nice and humorous manner, right? And you can create a project. The good news is once the project is created, on the right, you'll see the project knowledge. You can add the knowledge links to be crawled. You can upload files. Most importantly, you can invite your team members. You can invite team members by selecting them. Right, do note that they need to be on CoSpaceGPT subscription to be able to be invited, right? And once you invite the team members, they will be part of this project. Project settings can be only you, people invited, or public. For purpose of this demo, I'll keep it to people I invite. And we can also set some data protection features on our shared project. So this is something that is unique to us. We can mask the data, we can check for sensitive data and mask some of them if required. We can see who is online as well if you have team members. So back to the chat projects. If the chat we created, we like it very much and we want to share with our team members, you have now the option to move it to projects. And we can do it in various projects. Let's say I'm going to move it to demo projects, right? I can move the chats. And you will see that it is in the demo projects. Okay, I'm going to use a different project because this showcases where I collaborate with my teammates. Right, so in this project called the demo projects, I have a few team members, Tian Li, Rohit, Luis, Sanat, Samuel, few team members in it. So all of them can see the prompts and chats in this. Right, so let's take a look. The moving SVG Newton law has been moved here. So all my team members can actually easily see this prompt and the HTML code generated from this prompt, which means they can see this interactive video, or they can see the code behind the video. They can download as well. The other thing they could do is they will get the same interface. They can add on to the prompt if they want, right? Try again with another model. Right, so instead of using GPT-5, we can use GPT-4.1 if we want. So this is available to our other team members to try and see as well. Now, just to showcase, I have another chat to ask about MacBook information. So this was my prompt. As of June 3rd, 2024, the GPT responded, these are all the available MacBooks. And my teammate Tian Li actually asked more about the latest AirPods. Right, so in this way, 2, 3, even 10 or 50 people can join in the same AI chat and interact with the AI and collaborate together. I would like to invite you to give this feature a try. Remember, this needs the CoSpaceGPT Teams plan, and there's a 7 days free credit card trial, which you can cancel at any time. Give it a try. Thanks very much. Have a nice day. Bye.